Welcome back, guys, to Hanging with the Livingstons. First and foremost, we want to say a big hail up to Miss Tamar. She'll be the one doing the video tonight. So guys, you just leave a nice little comment in the comment section for Miss Tamar. Thank you very much, baby, for doing the video for me tonight. Tonight we'll be making some Dukunu, as they call it in Jamaica, or some people call it blue jaws, right? The ingredients that we need for the Dukunu or the blue jar would be cassava. You have to have the white cassava. We're going to have some sugar, flour, salt. I'm using some almond breeze milk, some soap seasoning. You know, regular you have to have your vanilla, your rose water, your almond, your nutmeg, and your grated cinnamon powder. So all this will be combined in one to make the mixture. And in Jamaica, we would use banana leaf to wrap it, right? Unfortunately, we live in Canada, so there's no banana leaf to use here, right? So what we're going to be using is some Ziploc bags. So we're going to be pouring the ingredients in a Ziploc bag, and then we're going to be boiling the bag with the ingredients in this pot here. So the water boil already. So we're going to boil it inside there, and then you're going to see the whole process of the Dukunu, or what they call blue jars back home, come together. And it's a beautiful scene to see because it's going to be soft first, and when you boil it, it'll come in a nice tight texture. It's a treat where Austin love. For some reason, him love it. As for him now, he call it Blue Jay. Blue Jay, me know when he call it Blue Jay, but he call it Blue Jay. So let's go, guys. Let's get this thing sorted out. So we have cassava. We're gonna put in some sugar in it. I don't want it too sweet, so not much sugar. We're gonna put in some flour.
And everybody know Mr. L. What's Mr. L's favorite saying?
Years of experience. Me no take measurement. So guys, years we are doing this stuff, so we don't really take measurement with you. We just do as what we feel like, say, would give it a nice taste. Alright? Because the person who first make it and say, boy, these are the ingredients we use, there's always room for improvements. Alright? So, me work with my taste buds instead of measurement. So we put in the nutmeg, we're putting some cinnamon powder now. And we're gonna put in a little bit of baking powder because you want to lift up a little bit. And we'll give this some mix. So what we're doing, we're combining all of the ingredients together first before we add with milk. And when we put in the milk and vanilla and stuff, then we add the salt in it. And if you want more sugar, we put in some more sugar. If you want more flour, you put in some more flour. And as you see, my beautiful assistant will be assisting me.
What am I assisting you with, babe? What am I assisting you with?
With my little clean up when I make a mess.
Sure, I don't mind doing that. Thank you for coming, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we post new videos.
Definitely, guys, always hit the notification bell. And know we are come with things that are different. We don't want the same thing where everybody do, kind of make it a little bit different, right? So now we're gonna add some milk to this.
And of course, you guys can use whatever milk you choose to use. We use almond milk. You know, when we're having cereal, that's the milk we use. So that's the milk we also use when we're doing baking stuff,
Yeah.
or when Mr. L is doing his baking stuff. Because I'm not a baker. Not ashamed to say it. I will cook some food, but I can't throw down in the oven to bake at all.
So you have to combine all your ingredients in the mixture, and then you taste it and see what it tastes to you, because when you can taste your cinnamon, you know, your almond, your vanilla, your rose water, all of it in it, it gives us a nice taste. But some people not really use them, so for some people like just plain, some people use just the vanilla alone, some people use just maybe like the cinnamon and nutmeg, but me like the whole works, because again, I grew with my grandmother and my mother and my auntie, and when they bake, they always bake with all of them nice stuff here. So they bake them always nice, the potato pudding, the caramel pudding, the gizzarda, jackass corn, as what they call it in Jamaica, donkey jawbone, which all are gonna be coming to us soon. No, just time. Just time we want, and we'll get everything to you. And we'll put some salt in. And again, just I put this, and then if it more, I put it accordingly.
So in Jamaica, you'd grate the cassava?
Yeah, you grate the cassava first, and you have to squeeze out the starch out of it, because the whole starch in the cassava. And how my auntie used to do when we go to school, she grated this cassava and then she juice it. And when she juice it, I guess she put on the juice. I don't know how she did it, but she gets something from it and iron your khaki clothes. So when that's done, you can put it up and sell them stiff like so.
Okay.
Stiff, man.
So she used the starch from it?
Yeah.
Okay, as what? To spray the clothes?
Yeah, and iron it. And when it finished, it stiff all the shirt. You can take it and throw it and just drop on your shoulder like so. So yes guys, you mix this.
So because we live a foreign, unfortunately, the cassava not unfortunately, we get the frozen cassava.
Yeah, so some of them you can get it at the West Indian store, or buy the cassava itself, or you go to the same West Indian store and have the cassava packaged in a bag we already grated. So all you have to do, come home and use it, because you already come grate and everything. So what I do, I just juice it. Alright, we need some more sugar and some more salt. And again guys, you just mix it to your taste, because at the end of the day you're going to eat it.
And you can use white sugar, of course.
Yeah, you can use granulated sugar if you want, but we like the brown sugar, because at Jamaica that we use mostly at Jamaica, the brown sugar, when you mix it lemonade, brown sugar, gizzarda, brown sugar. Only like when I make greater cake, them use white sugar. For everything else, a pure brown sugar. Which sense is better because they come from the cane, and the white sugar have to be processed
and bleached out.
You come with vanilla. And we are going with things now. this is the mixture, people. And then you wash your hand and you put in your seasoning. And then you put in your seasoning.
So what you do, you put water upon the raisin?
Yeah, you put water upon it for make it soak. And you get kind of soft.
Okay.
And you put in your raisin in on it.
So obviously if you're not a raisin fan, you're not gonna put so much.
Yeah, if you don't like raisin, you don't have to put so much. And you can use, instead of the cassava, you can use caramel to make it as well. But the caramel one, when it cold on you, cause you know so when caramel swelling up, it's tough. So when the caramel one cold on you, at least for me, when I eat it, it kind of burn my chest. So I'm not really too full on the caramel one. Caramel put sure about the caramel Dukunu. I'm not too full on the one there because it burn my chest. Alright people, now we're looking like we're on the road to victory.
On the road to victory.
Yes man. Alright, so again, in Jamaica, we'd have banana leaf. And what would I do? Get the banana leaf, cut it in a square, and put this in the middle, and then fold it over, and then use the banana string, which is the outer part of the banana. You cut it off and turn it into some long string, and then you tie it. And when you tie it, then you put it in the pot and boil it. But unfortunately,
when you live a foreign,
we don't have the banana tree, however, in the back, a ice. Not even grass I can see right now. I guess we're about no ice. So you have to use your hand make fashion.
So we have to improvise, people. Ooh.
I think I'm gonna need help, darling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright people, so we're gonna bag these out. I forgot to help Mr. L. We're gonna come back when we finish bag out and I'll go drop it in the boiling water, alright?
Yes guys. Alright guys, so after my beautiful wife assists me to bag them, this is the finished product. And of course them are go swell. So we just put them in the bag like this. And then you put them in the boiling pot of water. So all you do guys, just put them in it. And then you cover it and make it boil. And then when it finish, I couldn't see the finished product. And of course it's pretty simple, so something you can try at home. Pretty simple, nothing too hard in it. And I like when you make like a full cake kind of like that. I just mix up your ingredients them, and then the cassava again. You don't have to buy the cassava and peel it and grate it yourself. This already come grater in a bag. So all you have to do is just squeeze it, because too much starch in it, right? So you have to squeeze out some of the starch out of it, and then you use it, get your dry ingredients, you know, get your vanilla, your almond and stuff. You combine everything together, and then you're gonna see the finished product when it's done. And possibly soon start farm. See, they actually start farm already. That's how quick it is. Actually start farm already. But when it farm, it will be a solid piece of pastry when it finished. But very tasty. Again, the more vanilla and stuff I put in it, not to overpower it, but just to give it the right taste. Trust me, when it's done, very good. And you know what, years of experience, so me not talk something when I go so. I tell you from years of experience from my little bit of grow. My grandmother used to make this, and then my mother, and then me start carry on now. The only thing left for me to know, I pass it on to my kids them to make them know if you can make it. Alright guys, so after you put in your Dukunu in the pot. I'll make it boil. This is the finished product, guys. So as I tell us, it will come solid. See that, guys? So it's just like if you use a banana leaf. Let me show you. Just like if I use the banana leaf. See, it's solid. Remember, it in the plastic, but it's solid. Alright guys, so this is a finished product, and unfortunately guys, I did the video where it was boiling and I take it off, but when we check it, the mic wasn't working, so the boiling part of it and when we threw up the water didn't get catch on it with no voice, so we have to cut that out. So this is a finished product guys. So until it will get harder, the more it cool it will get harder. So here, over here we have one that we took out. And as you can see, the texture will get hard once it get cooled down. And let's cut it and see in the middle. And it's very gummy guys. And you enjoy this with at least a nice glass of milk. See inside of it, reasoning and everything, and enjoy with a nice glass of milk. So thank you very much again guys for stopping at Hanging with the Livingstons. And as you know, like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, right? We're always here doing the good content for you guys, so have a wonderful day. All right.